Hey guys, this is Conan from Hack Forums, and this tutorial is going to be used to basically show you how to use an IRC network and what an IRC network is. IRC stands for Internet Relay Chat, and it's used to talk to multiple people at one time, kind of like a chat room for MSN, Yahoo, AIM, whatever. Now, HF has a default IRC network, which is irc.malveja.com, that we're going to be using as an example today. So, alright, this is what you're going to want to do. You're first going to obviously need a client to run, and I'm going to put all that information in the description and also in the thread that I'm posting. You're going to want to download one of those. I'm going to be using XChat today, but if you're using, that's just because that's the best one to use for Ubuntu. But if you're using Windows, there's also MIRC and a bunch of other ones. But I'm just going to put MIRC and XChat in the description. But anyway, download that, and you're going to want to open it once you've downloaded it. And for me, you just go down to here. If you're running XChat, something like this should pop up. Um, it's not the same for all clients, and if you're running MIRC and you're still watching this, I'll show you a way, because obviously I can't show you how to connect the same ways you can here, but I'll show you. Um, here. Okay, so Ubuntu is this is like the default Ubuntu IRC network that automatically pops up once you have downloaded the IRC. But anyway, what you want to do is going to go up here to XChat and go to network list. There's multiple ways to connect to a network that I'll show in the end of this video, but for right now, if you're using XChat, that's what you're going to want to do. Go up to add and make a new server named Malvager, like that. Alright, I already have one set up, that's why I'm not going to do it. Alright, and then hit enter and make sure it's still selected when you're doing it. It happens every time I try to do this. Click Malvager, hit edit. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is, hold on a second. Alright, something like this is going to show up. Going to want to double click that, erase it. Go to irc.malveger.com. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it. Obviously, I've never heard anyone say it. But anyway, then do -667. Oops. That's just the port number. You really don't need to worry about that right now. Hit enter, and that should stay up like that. You can, if you have global user information set up, you can click that. But if not, it doesn't really matter. Just put in your nickname, second choice, third choice, and your real name. I'm gonna auto connect to this server when I start up XChat, just because this is the only one that I use. You don't really need to worry about the password or anything, because that's only when you sign up for the server. You don't need to worry about that right now. Someone will help you with that on the server. But anyway, then when you go to favorite channels, you have to put a number sign, and the main channel for Malvager is, obviously, Malvager. And you're going to want to put it up like that, alright? And then hit close. And now, while it's still selected, hit the connect button. And here you go. Should all be up for a second. Now, and here you go. You're up on Malvager. Now, here's a few things that you guys might want to know. If you've joined a server like this and only this screen pops up, don't worry. All you got to do is go to /join # Malvager, or whatever channel you're going to be using. Now, here's something for if you're using IRC or MIRC. Obviously, I can't do a tutorial on that right now. I'm sorry if you downloaded it. That is nice for if you're using Windows, but for right now, I'm just going to show you how to. If this is like the default for any IRC. Like if you're using IRSSI, that's one that's terminal based, and you don't have any menu screens. You have to type it all like manually. But this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be doing /server IRC.com or IRC dot whatever the server name is .com. In this case, it's going to be irc.malvager.com. And then after, you're going to put the port number. Now, the default port number is 667. Or 6667, I'm sorry. And if it is that default port number, then you don't even need to put it. You can just hit that, hit enter. Obviously, it's pretty much connecting to itself through itself. And then you're just going to put /join number sign whatever channel you're going to be joining. Obviously, in this case, it's going to be Malvager. Oops, yeah. Now, yeah. So, and something like this should pop up. There you go. We have when you put the second and third nickname choices, that's only because If you join like if like right now I'm joining multiple times, that's why it's double underline, only one underline, and then I also have my regular account on here. But anyway, there's multiple things you can do. You can right click if you're using IRC or MI. There's a bunch of things you can do. There's the operator actions. You can give, take, kick, ban, whatever. Um, this is like you can like mute them or unmute them if you know what that is. You can send files through IRC. There you can add to friends list apparently if you're on XChat, but nothing. And then who is information. You really don't need to worry about any of that right now though. But all right, guys. I hope I helped, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.